The just meet myth, transforming chaos into collaboration. Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a question that's probably crossed all our minds at some point. Is there anything fundamentally wrong with just meeting to do group work? Ever heard this? Let's just meet up and do the group work. It's the rallying cry of staff teams, committees, and project groups. It sounds simple, efficient even. But what if I told you that this seemingly innocent approach often leads to more headaches than actual progress? For most significant tasks, simply showing up without a plan can be a recipe for disaster. Let's dive into why this just meet philosophy often falls flat. First, there's the lack of direction. Imagine everyone showing up to a restaurant kitchen, but no one knows what they're cooking, who's responsible for what, or even if they have the ingredients. That's what a directionless meeting feels like. You spend precious time just trying to figure out what you're supposed to be doing, let alone how to do it. Then we have the inefficiency trap. You might block out 2 hours, but how much of that is truly productive? Without an agenda or pre-assigned tasks, you're prone to rambling discussions, getting sidetracked, and repeating information. It's like driving around aimlessly hoping to find your destination. You might get there eventually, but you've wasted a lot of gas and time. And who hasn't experienced the unequal burden? In unstructured environments, a few proactive individuals often end up shouldering the majority of the work, while others disengage or simply don't know how to contribute. This breeds resentment, burnout, and ultimately a poorer quality outcome. When there's no clear structure, it's easy for meetings to devolve into social gatherings. While team bonding is great, if the primary goal is productivity, these distractions derail progress. Did you see that game last night? Quickly overtakes. What's the next step for developing this product? So if just meeting is often a no-go, what's the alternative? The good news is, it's not about being overly rigid or corporate. It's about being intentional. Here are 3 simple, powerful strategies to transform your group work. Before you even think about scheduling, ask, what is the specific objective of this meeting? Are we brainstorming? Delegating tasks? Reviewing a draft? Knowing your purpose ensures everyone arrives with a clear understanding of what needs to be achieved. A simple bulleted list can work wonders. 1. Quick update on research, 5 minutes. 2. Discuss section 1, 20 minutes. 3. Assign section 2, 15 minutes. And crucially, encourage or require pre-work. If everyone comes prepared with their initial thoughts or completed small tasks, the meeting becomes a place for synthesis and decision-making, not just starting from scratch. A well-planned group meeting is like a symphony. Each musician knows their part. They have the sheet music, the agenda, and there's a conductor or a designated leader to guide the performance. The result is harmonious and effective. A just meet session? That's more like everyone showing up with their instruments and just randomly playing notes hoping it sounds good. The beauty of this approach is that it makes your actual meeting time incredibly efficient. You spend less time floundering and more time doing. It fosters genuine collaboration because everyone is prepared to contribute meaningfully, leading to better ideas, stronger solutions, and ultimately, far less frustration. So is there anything wrong with just meeting to do group work? Not inherently. But for anything beyond the most trivial tasks, it's a missed opportunity to truly harness the power of your collective intelligence. By adding just a little bit of structure, defining your objective, preparing beforehand, and assigning clear roles, you transform a potentially chaotic gathering into a highly productive collaboration. It's about respecting everyone's time and maximizing your group's potential. Because when everyone knows their part and the goal is clear, that's when the magic of true teamwork happens. What are your experiences with group work? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and subscribe for more insights on effective collaboration.